Tom, the general manager here at Petersfield Lido. You've got an amazing place here, Tom. I think you're the best manager here since 1964.
1962.
1962,
thanks
yeah.
very much. Yeah, it's my third year, so really enjoying it. But thanks for approaching us.
Yeah, no, that's Harry's doing that. Tell us, what do you think about the sauna? What are your thoughts?
I love it. I really do. Definitely, well, we're just talking about it, the difference between having the wood in there rather than the electrical fire. I think that's a lovely touch. We could smell it as soon as you lit the thing. It was really, really nice. So quick and easy. I saw you put it up, took no time at all.
Fantastic.
But it's nice. It's a lot more reasonably priced than the other options that are out there. It gives us the option of moving it around or putting it up for a certain session, bringing it down for another.
Because you're only open here for the summer season, until September, October, isn't it? So.
Yeah, sure. But we may just, we've got a busy session with loads of kids in here. It may not be the ideal session to have it set up. So we might just put it up for the evening, that sort of thing.
And your moonlight sessions look amazing. So
Thank you very much. Yeah, one of those coming soon.
Nice.
Expect to see you there.
Come, right? Yeah. But and I think all day we've had fantastic feedback from it.
Absolutely, yeah.
People have been queuing up to get in.
It's not just me. Yeah, we've had staff queuing up to come in, and the punters as well. But they're all very happy with it. They spoke to me on the way out, and a few of them are pushing me to get one. So yeah.
But yeah, it's good. You have to experience it for yourself. And thank you so much for this opportunity of being here today.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'll be in here for at least another 10 minutes.
Nice. Well, I'll let you relax now and enjoy the sauna.
Cheers.
Cheers.